In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. If you use Notion to manage your to-do list, setting up recurring tasks can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually recreating the same task over and over, you can build a template once and let Notion handle the repetition for you. This is especially useful for routines like weekly chores, regular check-ins, or any task that comes back on a schedule. To get started, open your tasks database in Notion. This is the database where you want the recurring task to appear. Make sure you are in the correct task view before moving on, so the template is created in the right place. Next, look for the blue New button in the top right area of the database. Click the drop-down arrow next to that button and then choose New Template. This opens a blank template that you can use as the foundation for your recurring task. Now it's time to set up the task itself. Give the template a clear and recognizable name, such as a household chore, a weekly review, or any repeating responsibility you want to track. The name should be simple, so it's easy to spot later in your database. You can also add an icon if you want the task to be more visually distinct. If the task usually includes smaller actions, go ahead and add subtasks, or any helpful details directly inside the template. This can make the task more useful each time it appears. After that, find the date property in the template. Click into it and set it to today. In some versions of Notion, you may instead see an option called Date when duplicated. If that appears, use that option. This ensures that when the recurring task is created again in the future, it receives the correct current date automatically rather than keeping an old one. Once the template is ready, return to your main database view. Again, click the drop-down arrow next to the New button. You should now see the template you just created listed there. Find it. Then click the three dots next to the template name to open its settings. From that menu, click Repeat and turn it on. This is the setting that enables the template to generate as a recurring task instead of remaining a one-time setup. And that's it. You've successfully created a recurring task in Notion. Once it's active, Notion will help you stay on top of repeat responsibilities with less manual effort. Thanks for watching.